In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to delete your Exness account permanently. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to exness.com. Once you're inside of here, you'll need to log into your account that you want to delete, and then from here it should look something like this. Now from here you'll need to scroll down inside of the menu until you see the security tab down here, and once you click on that, it should look something like this. Now from here you'll need to scroll down yet again, and then from here you'll be able to see under device and account security, you'll be able to see log out from all devices except for this account, or this can be reversed. And as you can see over here, you can be able to terminate your Exness personal area, and that essentially means that you delete the account. Once you click on that, it should look something like this, where you can see you could terminate your Exness personal area. From here, you'll see the email will be blocked. So essentially, new accounts will require a new email, all data will be deleted, and programs will be cancelled. From here, you'll just simply need to click continue, and then from here, you'll be able to choose why are you terminating, and then you can click right any of these other ones, and then confirm your termination. From here, you can click terminate, click confirm, and terminate like so. As you can see here, termination complete. Termination of your Exness account is successful. From here, you can see you'll be directed out to the sign in and create a new account page. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!